Creating a brand strategy is a tedious job. It involves a lot of researching and a time to come up with a brand that stands out. So, don't be negative. Don't say that your brand won't stand out or maliit lang yung makaka-remember ng brand mo or nobody will ever recognize your brand. Don't say that. Example, eto, think of this. One song, di ba, sa isang original singer, if they sing a song, maraming nagka-cover. And yung mga tao, their favorite will not always be the original. Their favorite can be the one who made the cover, 'di ba? So yung idol natin, for example. So basically, someone likes the song because you sang it. Ganun siya. So ganun lang din sa atin. Someone wants to avail social media services because of our brand. So let's think of that way. We have to shift our mindset. Huwag nating isipin na why would they pick me? Why would they buy from me? Why would they remember me? That's totally not the mindset that I want you to have in this digital marketing industry, because if your mindset is like that, you're not likely to survive. So hanggang 6 months ka lang, okay na kung magtagal ka dun dito sa 6 months, diba? So work on that mindset and creating your brand.